Hello and welcome to a non-sleep deep rest meditation. This meditation is designed to give you a moment of rest and peace, help you connect to nature, but also a deeper part of yourself. So I want you to go ahead and get set up in a nice, comfortable position, laying on your back in Shavasana. Maybe putting something underneath your knees to keep your lower back flat on the ground, and slowly beginning to bring your awareness to your breath. Not changing anything with the breathing yet. Just bring your focus inward. Breathing in through the nose. And now control through the nose or the mouth, whatever you prefer. But allowing your breathing to be easy and controlled. Feeling the change in your body as you breathe. And start with a 2x breath, which will be breathing in for 4 and out for 8. We'll do 5 breaths just like that. In 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 more in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathing just like that on your own. In for 4 and out for 8. And taking a moment as you visualize roots coming up from the ground, wrapping underneath your body, allowing any negative energy to leave the body through the earth underneath you. Feeling a release, letting go, taking a big breath in. As you exhale, sending energy all the way through the body to the heels, and letting go of any negative energy through the heels of your body. And beginning to visualize now a blanket of light shining down on you. Visualize that blanket falling down your body now, offering you a blessing of peace and rest and relaxation at each and every part of the body that blanket touches. from the top of your head, your forehead, your eyes and eyelids, the nose and cheeks, your ears, space between the ears, the mouth and lips, neck and throat, shoulders and arms, elbows, softening at the forearms, softening at the thumbs, pointer finger, middle finger, ring fingers, pinky, the whole palm, softening, relaxing at the whole arm, softening at the chest and back, your abs and obliques, hips and thighs, knees, your calves and shins and feet. Your whole body relaxed now a little bit more. Taking 5 intentional breaths in for 4 and out for 8, and feeling yourself relax a little bit more with each breath, going a little bit deeper. Counting in your head of the in for 4 and out for 8 on your own. Beautiful. And beginning now to create the space together in your head, visualizing a beautiful waterfall, and a pool of water underneath the waterfall. Bring your awareness to these pairs of opposites that I call out. And help you visualize the space. Knowing what it might look like to be in a desert, and visualizing the perfect opposite of that, this waterfall full of life and greenery in different colors, living plants all around. Knowing what it might feel like to be cold, but visualizing the perfect opposite of that, comfort and warmth in this space. Knowing what it might sound like to be in a city, but visualizing the perfect opposite of that, deep, relaxing peace, serenity here. And begin to explain to yourself what you see in this vision as you allow yourself to just be here. And beginning now to visualize yourself walking towards this pool of water, the fresh water flowing down. When you're ready, beginning to slowly put one limb at a time into this water, one leg and the next. And your torso and your arms. And feeling the warmth here. Feeling the life here. And beginning now to allow yourself to float with your back in the water and your head facing outwards. Feeling your body be held up by the water and being completely weightless here. And in this space, allowing any negative energy to leave the body through the elements of water around you. And at the same time, begin to visualize that water just bringing you life, like a fountain of energy. Feeling your body begin to get warmer, and feeling your body beginning to glow. Allowing yourself to release anything that you don't want to hold on to into the element of water. Feeling the mind and body soften more. Thinking of a time in your life when you're feeling loved and appreciated. Knowing where that is on the body. And allowing yourself to feel that now. Breathing softly now. And finding rest. And seeing if you can visualize yourself meditating in that water, in that space. Just seeing a younger version of yourself, full of life. And knowing what it would be like and feel like to see the world through these pure eyes again. Letting go of any negative perception about the world, any negative perception about yourself, and seeing a more pure version of you. That's beautiful. And taking a moment to connect with this version of yourself, this pure, light version of you. Asking it now any question that comes up for you. Like, what do I need to do to invite joy into my life? Or how can I find peace this year? I invite you to ask whatever question feels comfortable here. In order to connect with this deeper version of yourself. I invite you now to create a space of gratitude. Thinking of 3 things you're grateful for in your personal life. Thinking of 3 things you're grateful for about your work or your purpose. And what are 3 things you're grateful for about yourself? Say thank you to 3 people that you love. Tell them thank you for anything that they do or bring into your life. Beginning now to set an intention or heartfelt desire for your life for the next few days or month, just a sankalpa, a deep, heartfelt intention, whatever that might be for you. If you want to remain in this meditative state, stay here a little bit longer. But if you are ready to come out, begin to bring awareness to your body and movement. And when you're ready, you can slowly open up your eyes, bring yourself into the space.